Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen, where I'll be making restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, we jump right into this. Today we're going to be having a multi-stuffed bell pepper, okay? That's what we're going to be doing. So multi-different colors. Anyway, here's the meat right here. This is 80-20 right here. We got some provolone cheese right here we're going to be using. We have some tomato sauce right here that I'm going to be using. How much ounces is this? 24 ounces right here. We may not use all of that. We have a, what's this? 14.5 can of diced tomatoes. And this have basil and garlic and oregano in it. We have instant rice right here that we're going to be using. We have some mushrooms right here. The portobello mushrooms we're going to be using. We have Parmesan cheese that we're going to be using. This that Parmesan cheese, you know, the little dusty one. You know what I'm saying? It's like granulated. Alright. We have some Worcestershire sauce we're going to be using. We also have some salt. This is Mediterranean. You can use any salt. I use this because it's better for me. Alright. We have some black pepper that we're going to be using. We have some onion powder, granulated onion powder, granulated garlic, and we have some basil that we're going to be using. Okay, so stay tuned in. Let me go ahead and get this all set up and I'll be back. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. We'll go with our meat first, okay? So we're going to take us some pepper. Now I'm going to use a teaspoon, no, I'm going to use a tablespoon of black pepper. I like mine with a little spice in my life. So that's like a tablespoon right there. Put that away. Then we're going to go in with some onion powder. Use probably like, let me see, I'll just eyeball it for now. So that's about a teaspoon. We go with a tablespoon of that. And the garlic, because we don't want it too garlicky. So we're going to go ahead and go with a teaspoon. Okay? So that's about a teaspoon right there. Alright. Then we're going to go on with our basil. That's right, we're going to put some basil in there too. Because we want that basil to be in that meat. Alright, so that's like a teaspoon of that. We have some fine Mediterranean salt. And I'm going to put this in my hand. Measure it out like that. So that's about a teaspoon right there. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side. Well, we can go ahead and do our, no, we're not going to put Parmesan in it first. Matter of fact, this is what we will do. I'm going to go ahead and go with these diced tomatoes. Put those in there. The juice and all. Okay? Make sure your hands are really clean when you get to mess with this, or unless you have some gloves or something like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and wash mine again. We're going to take some Worcestershire sauce. About 3 dabs of that. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Oh, sorry about the phone. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and take our hands and mix this stuff up in here, okay? Remember I told you, well, if you didn't see the other video, I always come in from the side and push in. Like so. Alright. Alright. I'm going to go wash my hands again. Anytime you mess with meat, and you about to go mess with something else, wash your hands, please. So we're going to go ahead, take some of this instant rice. I'm imagining about 2 cups of that. Okay. And about 2 cups of that. Alright. We'll take us some of this Parmesan. Let me open it up from the other side. About 1/2 cup of this. Alright. And that's set on that. Now, I'm going to set this to the side. And then I'm going to cut up me some mushrooms. I'm not going to go overboard with the mushrooms, so all the mushrooms you see over there, I'm not going to put all those in there. Okay? You can just take them like this to the side or whatever. And also, by the way, since we're using portobello, if you don't want to use meat, you can use the portobellos. They act like a meat substitute. Okay. That's one. They don't have to be perfect, but you do want them diced up nice. Okay? Like that. We'll take that. We're going to put that in a bowl. Okay? Just like that. We're going to come up in here, get us some tomato sauce. Put a little tomato sauce in there. We're just going to get the mixing again. Okay? Probably should have got my bigger bowl. I might end up doing it. I don't like to struggle, so. This smells delicious. Don't worry about all the little pieces falling on the board. That's why we have a board, so we can kind of like put it back into the bowl. Okay. Now, if you have some cheese, like some shredded cheese, like what I want to say, what's that, Kobe? Ooh, you can put that in there now, if you want to. So if you're using, what is that, 2 pounds of ground beef, 80-20, then you probably want to get you a bigger bowl. This is my medium size one. Yeah, that smells like you can eat it now. Okay, I believe I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and clean up this board and show you how we're going to cut these bell peppers up. Alright, I'll be back. If I can clap. Okay guys, I'm back. There's a couple of ways you can do this. You can cut it down like this. Show you like this. You can cut it like this, the top off, like that. Okay, take your knife, go around in there like this to get this rib meat out of there. Okay. Pluck it out. Try not to break your bell pepper. Some seeds out of there. Okay. Okay, that's it right there. Now look what happens. See how it falls down? This is what you want to do. See how it slants like this right here? So you can take the knife on the back side and go like that. Now it sits up. See that? Isn't that cool? Alright. Put that to the side. I'm going to use them scraps for something else. Like that. See how that's going to sit up? Like that. See that? Alright, gonna take your knife, go on the inside. Like that. See that? It don't take much. See? It stands up by itself. That's what we want. Alright. Do one more for you guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them. See that? Alright. Don't worry about the little bottom like that, okay? Because it's going to leak out anyway. Alright. Go around up in there, like so. Take this. Let's take it out. Right. So that's it on that one. Alright, I'm gonna be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I got them all cut up and situated in a pan, in my glass dish, whatever. We're gonna take us a spoon of this, just like put it in there, push it down up in there. Okay, just like that. Try to trim them to about equal size almost. We won't have no one fighting, talking about which one is the biggest. And don't worry about filling it up to the top like this, because it's going to cook down. I preheated my oven to like 375. And what we're simply going to do is we're just going to take us some foil and put it on top. Okay. That's how it looks. I'm gonna pop this bad boy in the oven and let that start cooking down. So when I find this foil, alright. You know, so you ain't gotta worry about it being so tight. We're gonna pop this bad boy in the oven for about 45 minutes and see what we got. That's what I had left over, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. And now that I took these out the oven, they're pretty tender now. As you can see, they're shrinking up. I put some sauce on top of them, and I put some more Parmesan on top, which I'm going to put a little bit more. Okay. Then we're going to take our provolone cheese, put like 2 of them on top of there. Fat one, maybe one of these green ones. And we're just going to shove that back into the oven and let them cook. Alright. I'll be back to show you the finished product. Okay guys, I'm back. Multi-stuffed bell peppers. So if you guys like this recipe, please give me a like, a share, and please do subscribe to this channel. Veldog signing out.